You can use the SUMIF function to sum the values in a range that meet criteria that you specify. To do so, click in an empty cell, type equal sign SUMIF, type the first range, or select the range of cells that you want to evaluate the criteria for, comma, and we're going to put quotation marks for the condition. First quotation mark, put the name for the criteria if it's a text, again quotation marks, comma, and select the range of value which you want to have sum. In this case is profit, and hit enter. Here Excel has checked if the name or if the correct value is there. For us it's Alicia, and it has given us the sum of the amounts related to Alicia. You can replicate the same for another table to see further. Sum if, select the range of cells which you want to evaluate, quotation marks, put your text. In this case, I want to see Jack value sum, quotation marks, comma, and I want to see from profit. This is the values which I want to have reflected. Hit enter. And here it gives us for Jack 47. You can always check if it's true by performing a simple filter. And here for Jack, we have a sum of 47.04.